take it and design there. Use that shape again, apply the paint. So let's have the circular shape in the center, change the color and scale as well. Let's have a design there. So we will try to make the changes there. And another to use different features. We are going to apply also make the changes. We will have some shapes again. Try to use the shapes, different structure. So here we will found also have a design again. Make the changes there. Let's have a structure. Add a pen.